When you think about abandoned exploration, the first things that come to mind are factories, houses, or maybe schools. But when we learned about an abandoned car wash in Kokomo, Indiana, my eyes lit up. Welcome back to Remnants. Located behind O'Reilly's, the Diamond Car Wash has been abandoned since we believe 2008. Purchased on July 28, 2000 by Diamond Car Wash Partners LLC, the wash operated up until March 25th of 2008. The business may have been closed previously, but the corporation was officially dissolved and its status revoked in March of 2008. Afterward, the property was purchased by Holt Properties LLC, but it seems like the business never got off the ground. Currently, the property is owned by Michael and Michelle Wood. As of October 29, 2022, the property is abandoned with really no hope for remediation. Most of the structure is trashed, with an otherworldly amount of cigarettes and liquor bottles being left behind. Furthermore, most of the wiring and electrical boxes have been torn through by scrappers. And to add further salt to the wound, the over 20-year-old roof is in terrible condition. Just walking through the property, we notice countless leaks. But the Diamond Car Wash is an incredibly unique abandoned structure. While it may only be used as a hangout spot or for photo shoots, the Diamond Car Wash in Kokomo, Indiana is a remnant of what once was. Thank you for watching, and good night.